and I am here at the convention center looking for my bib, and I am officially registered, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I am officially representing New York City. I am gonna go for that right there. 26.2 miles.
I'm coming home to my bed. Still got a long way to go. I'm coming home to my darling. Still got a long way to go. If you could wire me some money, well, I'll be home. Been stuck down in Louisiana, trying to buy my way home. Too bad all my bridges burned down. I'm so close to alone. If you could wire me some money, well, I'll be home. Yeah,
Let's see how good it is. Oh my god, it's still warm from the process of making the candy. Wow, look at that. Smells so good too. Very good.
if you could wire me some money, well, now baby, I'll be home.
Beautiful. I love how bright it is. You know, it's well organized. I'm very happy that I ended up choosing this place.
Somewhere on the sea, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light track. Still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet. Losing my mind, can't find the words. No, I
20970. Here it is.
All right, we're not gonna stand for this.
I am officially running this baby. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the ferry back to the other side and keep exploring. Oh my god, it's gonna be raining on Saturday, so... Yes, everybody. Good morning. It's Saturday, November the 6th. I am scheduled to run a marathon today. And I just received a text message from the organization that hosts the event, and it has been downgraded to a half marathon and a 5K relay because the weather is not good. It has been raining since yesterday, since 1 p.m. yesterday, and it's windy, it's cold. They have decided to cancel it, which is actually a good idea because you can actually go through a process of hypothermia. You know, I think half is actually better than nothing. So I am gonna go ahead and run the half, get a taste of what I trained for. It is what it is.
Please everybody, it is freaking cold, windy, raining, but hey, I'm not the only one here for that. Full marathon, but fuck, feels good to get to finish line. This rainy, cold Savannah day in Georgia. Oh my God. I am. Yes. This is that, ladies and gentlemen. This is why you train for. Finish it off. And that is a new personal record for me. For a half marathon, I think. So let's see. Let's go.
Cheers, everybody. Happy Saturday. I think it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. No, fuck, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday to everybody. Listen, it is true. Southern hospitality is alive and well. I'm telling you, people here are so down to earth. They look you in the eye when they speak. I mean, we New Yorkers, we don't know about that. You know, we try to avoid eye contact the minute we meet someone, which is sad. But here it's different, man. I just had a conversation with someone here at the bar, and we exchanged so many different ideas, and it was beautiful. I am breaking all the rules eating here. I have had so many shrimp and sliders and chicken and medals and all this stuff, man. It has been a great experience here in Savannah, Georgia. I recommend it. From landing at the small airport all the way to crossing the Savannah Bridge into the convention center on the other end. So if you have the time to come and visit Savannah, do it because you won't be disappointed.
Sunlight burned my eyes. This valley is much too deep, and this mountain so very high. I gotta lay down here and rest.